Hi, in this video, I will talk about maintain leave group. This is where you are allowed to customize your leave policies for different group or level of people in company. Once you done the setting in maintain leave type for different nature of the leave, firstly, point to leave and select maintain leave group. See, there's already a preset default leave group. Double-click it to see the details. All the setting is based on standard labor law. Taking annual leave as an example, these are the policies preset in the system. If your company annual leave policy follow this default setting, then may use the default leave group as your employees' leave group. If your company does not follow the default annual leave setting, you can always customize your own calculation for leave. Click on New button to create new leave. Assign code and description for your new leave group. Click here to calling out the Entitled table column. Click plus button to select the entitled leave type for this particular leave group. Point to the entitled table, click on the three dots button to call out the row bar for you to key in your company compliance leave policy. Example, 1 to 10 years, 20 days. 11 to 15 years, 25 days. 16 and above 30 days. Once done, click OK and the new calculation will be clearly stated out. Then click Save. After done setting for leave group, remember to assign it accordingly under Maintain Employee. Go to Grouping, indicate it under the leave group, then save it. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.